Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bento boxes are probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen companions for anyone looking to pack delicious, portion-controlled meals on the go, offering a stylish and organized way to separate different food items, preventing sogginess and flavor mixing, and ultimately making lunchtime more enjoyable and healthier for students, office workers, and meal preppers alike. Number 5. Reli. Meal prep containers, 50-pack, 32 ounces. Introducing our 32-ounce meal prep containers, perfect for all your food storage needs. This pack includes 50 containers, each with a single compartment for convenient portioning. Designed with your convenience in mind, these containers measure 8.7 by 5.9 by 2.1 inches. They are conveniently stackable and made with durable plastic construction. Our food storage containers are built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from 14 to 230 F. This means they are safe for both your freezer and microwave. Enjoy the flexibility of our to-go food containers. They feature a leak-proof design, making them ideal for easy meal prepping, whether you choose to reuse them or dispose of them. Rely on these containers for everything from to-go meals and carry-out orders to lunchboxes and restaurant use. They are also perfect for nutritional and fitness enthusiasts. Looking for different sizes or types of containers? We have a variety of options to suit all your needs. Scroll down to explore them all. What we like? These containers offer a generous 32-ounce capacity, perfect for hearty meals. They are designed to be stackable, saving you precious space in your fridge and cabinets. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss option for packing large lunches or storing leftovers, these are a great choice. What people say? The portion control is great for my diet. The containers are a good size for meal prep. They are easy to clean and store. Number 4. Bento Box Adult Lunch Box, 4-pack. Crafted from durable, high-quality wheat straw and food-grade PP materials, these containers are BPA-free, odorless, and built to last. They are perfect for both home and on-the-go meals, offering a sturdy and reusable solution that's easy to clean. Featuring a unique cat ear handle, these lids are designed for effortless opening and closing, even for little hands. The transparent design allows you to see your delicious meals at a glance, making them even more appealing. With 4 convenient compartments, these containers make portion control a breeze. Keep your main dishes, sandwiches, salads, and snacks perfectly separated for a balanced and organized meal. These lunch containers are incredibly lightweight and designed to stack neatly, saving valuable space in your fridge or cabinets. They easily fit into backpacks or lunch bags, making them ideal for work, school, or travel. These containers are suitable for storing frozen foods and can be used in the microwave and dishwasher. Please remember to remove the lid before heating or washing to prevent deformation. What we like? With 4 separate compartments, these containers make portion control a breeze and keep your food neatly separated. They are made from eco-friendly wheat straw material, offering a sustainable choice. If you're looking for a way to pack balanced meals with distinct food items, especially for kids or yourself, this is an excellent option. What people say? The portion control is great, with 3 compartments to keep food separate. The lid seals tightly, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh. It's microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup easy. Number 3. Bentgo Easyboxes Stackable 5-compartment lunchboxes. Meet the Bentgo Easyboxes, formerly known as Easy Lunchboxes. Founded by a mom in 2009, they are designed to help you take healthy meals and snacks on the go. These containers feature a patented, stackable design that saves space in your home. You can stack them for compact storage or nest them when empty. Each container has 5 compartments to help you pack balanced meals without measuring. The tab lids are easy for all ages to open and lock in freshness. They are dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe, making them easy to clean, heat, and store. These reusable containers are built to last. This set includes 4 Bentgo Easy Boxes with 5 compartments each, along with their lids. Enjoy a waste-free way to pack meals for school, work, or any adventure. What we like? These containers feature a unique, patented stackable design that maximizes space efficiency. The 5 compartments allow for creative and balanced meal packing. If you appreciate a well-thought-out design that helps organize your meals and save storage space, you should consider these. What people say. The portion control is great for my diet. The containers are stackable and save space in my fridge. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, which makes meal prep easy. Number 2. Mumutor glass food storage containers, 24-piece set. Introducing a comprehensive set of glass food storage containers designed for your everyday needs. This collection offers various sizes and shapes to accommodate all your meal prep and storage requirements. Whether you're heading to the gym, packing a picnic, or preparing work lunches, these containers are your ideal companion. They are perfect for portion control and keeping your food fresh on the go. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass, these containers are built to last. They are oven, microwave, without lids, dishwasher, and freezer safe, offering ultimate convenience for heating and storage. Enjoy peace of mind with our airtight and leak-proof locking system. These containers ensure your food stays fresh and prevent spills, making them perfect for both dry goods and liquids like soup. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free containers. They are designed to maintain food freshness and prevent odors, ensuring your meals are always delicious and safe to consume. Cleaning up is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe containers. While the glass is safe for high temperatures, we recommend hand-washing the lids to preserve their sealing strip. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you encounter any issues or receive damaged products, our customer care team is ready to assist you with a refund or replacement. What we like. This set offers a variety of glass container sizes, perfect for diverse food storage needs. They boast an airtight and leak-proof seal, ensuring no spills even with liquids. If you prioritize food safety, odor resistance, and the ability to confidently pack soups or dressings, this glass set is ideal. What people say. The lid seals tightly to prevent leaks. The compartments are a good size for portion control. It is microwave and dishwasher safe for easy use and cleaning. Number 1. Genicook Glass Meal Prep Containers 5-pack. Our glass food storage containers are built to handle daily use, from the freezer to the oven. They can safely go from -40 degrees Fahrenheit freezer storage to high heat oven use without warping or cracking. These containers feature BPA-free sealing components to keep your food safely stored without chemical contact. The secure locking system helps maintain freshness through daily fridge and freezer use. This 5-pack of 4.4-cup containers is ideal for portion control and fitness routines. Prep a full week of meals in advance and keep them fresh, organized, and ready to heat. Everything is dishwasher safe for a stress-free routine. The removable silicone sleeve makes cleaning a breeze. Always vent or remove the lid before microwaving or using in the oven. Removable colorful sleeves add a fun pop of color and provide a secure, comfortable grip. They also act as a protective barrier against breaks and offer burn protection. The non-porous glass surface resists stains and odors, so even strong foods won't leave a trace. Enjoy containers that stay crystal clear after every use. What we like. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass and featuring protective silicone sleeves, these containers are built to last. The sleeves offer a secure grip and burn protection, making them safe for handling hot food. If you value durability, safety, and a touch of style in your meal prep containers, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The portion control is great for my diet. The containers are stackable and save space in my fridge. They are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.